Extreme weather over here. We actually looking at the going on right now. Maybe like a heat wave all the way to the coast. It's going to start at the 7th. I think was the NOAA predicting what's going on. Well, it's just going to get warmer at going on right now. But vegetable is slowing down at June 12th. Well, hopefully eventually going back to normal. Since then, could be maybe warm and cooler average temperature going flip flop over time. Who knows what happened over these areas? Right now we're looking at the lightning activity right now. We're going to see how increasing it is for the storm will pop up to get better using at where the storm's out. See these like the dark colors? Those are in case those thunderstorms and those lightning areas are occurring each zone right now. We're going to keep on it going increasing over time. Speaking of over time, we need to check on those models. This is the most cape so far in this date. You can see the date right there to see it going changing over time because it over changes the temperature over day and I keep on it going crazy over time over days after days going because temperature changes because when you're warmer the atmosphere warms with that with the dew points with the dew points you get cape. That's how simple it is going on over time because the cape values. These are like show you maybe the lightning going changes over time. There's gonna be lots of lightning activity each stage over with the temperature changes also. Like on June 4th at 4 p.m. there's gonna be a bunch of lightning activity over temperature changes. Hopefully it will changes before the eventually back to normally going changes. Who knows what happen these lightning activities are going increasing over day. Because there's gonna be maybe a little bit wind chill in this setup at around 9 p.m. But the greatest thing is around 3 p.m. That's when hopefully around there is gonna be a chance of thunderstorm. Till then we going that's how much good be wind chill around those zones. Now maybe there's a good look how much wind chill is going on over time and to show you, around 8 p.m. not 3 p.m. because that's how the coast look out in the map. When you get closer you can see better timing and the date will changes with the wind chill outlook. We need to keep an eye on it. There's lots of K inside this storm going on today. Going increasing over time. Because going inflow or outflow is a system. You can see maybe there's going to be a little bit acidity over there. Maybe there is maybe the spin in those with the updraft. Well, there's maybe the turtles live with the updraft. There's a little bit going on. With the tornado, it's gonna be a little bit high its point at 3 p.m. That's the closest point we're going to get. Till then it's slowing down. When in some areas like beautiful, that's when the high cave will kick it in to get more chance of thunderstorm. Then it's going back to dark and cloudy over time. Gonna be very crazy temperature changes. Now we're going to see the satellite going changes or not. Who knows what happen when it's this going over time, when it's lots of rain over the hills these days. Who knows what'll happen? Who knows? But we know there's gonna be a lot of rain and also lots of dew points. Here's some humidity is just gonna be very high. Humidity eventually slow down, then June 5th, that's when it slows, then slowly coming back up. The important is the precipitation atmosphere are going increasing because temperature changes. Will be warmer and lots of weather. Because these water vapor will stay increasing or outdated over time. Because the temperature is going over warmer. I already told you about that heat wave. Because to let you know, with the Cape temperature, heat will get Cape also inside the temperature. And also maybe there's some storms going on, because we need to keep eye on. See this, what it is going on. All these storms going over there going changes, because there's inside that circle there also that's going on right now. Going to be inside that line, there's going to be lots of strange weather with the there's going to be lots of chances storms going through and on. Over there.